part of the aardvark family. Also, its scales. This is made of the same stuff that is made from our fingernails. Even though they're not that strong, but they're pretty hard.
Really?
They're harder than a hammer. And they also walk. They walk like a T-Rex. Yeah.
How do predators eat them? Because, like, since their skin is so hard, how can they eat them?
Well, first of all, their scales are, they can, like, come off if, like, something attacks them. Let's see.
What do they eat?
They eat, like, termites and stuff.
What's their defense to the predators?
Well, even though, they wrap around in a ball, the scales are also sharp at the end. Jake?
Since they roll by the ball in a ball, are they also related to
Teachers
the
are final students, just arrived in the
Or the
building
roly
at
poly?
this point. All
Are
earlier
they
students
related to the
are
roly-poly?
not tardy. Tardies begin now. Thank you.
Are they related to the roly-poly? I'm tardy.
No, I think they're kind of related to the aardvark, I think.
Are they also related to the roly-poly because they can roll up in a ball?
I think so. Any more questions?
Minute. Professor Patrick's Trivia Minute. Professor Patrick's Trivia Minute.